Dear students, now let us solve 7th question of exercise 2.5 from triangles lesson. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Here, first we have to draw a rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. Now ABCD is a rhombus. Here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. And one more property of rhombus is diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Here AC and BD are diagonals. They bisect each other at O. AO is equal to CO, BO is equal to DO. These properties you have to remember to prove this statement. All sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other. Now, given ABCD is a rhombus, now to prove squares of the sides of rhombus. Sides of the rhombus are AB, BC, CD and AD. Squares of the sides AB square plus sum of the squares of the sides, that is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals is equal to AC square plus BD square. Squares of diagonals AC square plus BD square. This we had to prove. Now let us write the proof. We want AB square. AB square we can get from triangle AOB, because triangle AOB is right triangle. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So in triangle AOB we can write AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square, because angle AOB is 90 degree. According to Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, in triangle AOD, angle O is 90 degree. So AD square is equal to AO square plus OD square. Angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we can write AD square is equal to AO square plus OD square according to Pythagoras theorem. In the same way, in triangle DOC, we can write DC square is equal to CO square plus OD square. In triangle DOC, angle COD is equal to 90 degree. So CD square is equal to CO square plus OD square. according to Pythagoras theorem. And in triangle BOC, BC square is equal to BO square plus CO square. Angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we can write BC square is equal to BO square plus CO square. Now, to prove, what we have to prove? AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square on the left hand side is equal to AC square plus BD square. Now here we have AB square, AD square plus CD square and BC square. And on the right side we have BO square, AO square, OD square and CO square. So now add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that you will get left hand side of the equation what you have to prove. Add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. AB square plus AD square plus CD square plus BC square is equal to BO square plus AO square plus AO square plus OD square plus CO square plus OD square plus BO square plus OC square. Now here we got left hand side of the equation that we have to prove. Now we have to change the right hand side. We want AC square plus BD square on the right hand side. Let us simplify the right hand side. AO square plus AO square is 2AO square and BO square, 2BO square CO square plus CO square, 2CO square and DO square plus DO square, 2DO square or 2OD square. Now you know that AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO because diagonals bisect each other. So instead of AO you can write CO or in place of CO you can write AO. Now I will keep AO and BO as it is, 2AO square plus 2BO square, and instead of CO I can write AO plus 2AO square, and instead of OD I can write BO, so 2BO square. 2AO square plus 2AO square is 4AO square. 2BO square plus 2BO square is 4BO square. Now here in both the terms 4 is there, so take 4 outside, that is 4 into AO square plus BO square. Now we want AC and BD on the right hand side, but here we have AO and BO. We can convert AO to AC because AO is half of AC and BO is half of BD. The relationship between AO and AC is AO is half of AC, so you can write half of AC whole square plus in place of BO half of BD whole square. Now 4 into AC square by 4 plus BD BD square by 4. BD square by 4. That is 4 into, here 4 is the common denominator, so AC square plus BD square by 4. Now 4 cancels, remaining AC square plus BD square. Hence we proved AB square plus AD square plus CD square plus BC square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Means sum of the squares of the sides of rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Hence proved.